Twintech. HVAC comfort you can feel, efficiency you can see. When your HVAC system is working properly, you don't have to think about it. You simply feel comfortable in your home. At the same time, real efficiency shows up where it matters most: on your energy bills. At Twintech Heating Cooling, we believe homeowners should enjoy both. That's why families across the Durham Region and Toronto trust Twintech for HVAC solutions that deliver noticeable comfort and measurable efficiency. Comfort designed around your home. Every home is different, and true comfort starts with a system designed specifically for your space. Twintech takes the time to assess your home's layout, insulation, airflow, and lifestyle needs before recommending any solution. The result is even temperatures from room to room, fewer cold spots and drafts, quiet, smooth system operation, reliable comfort in every season. Comfort shouldn't be inconsistent, and with proper design and installation, it isn't. Efficiency that shows on your energy bills. Efficient HVAC systems don't just reduce energy use, they reduce wasted energy. Twintech focuses on installing systems that operate at peak efficiency, helping homeowners lower monthly costs while maintaining consistent comfort. Efficiency benefits include reduced heating and cooling expenses, smarter energy use year-round, improved system performance, longer equipment lifespan. When your system is installed and calibrated correctly, efficiency isn't just promised, it's proven. Specialists in modern HVAC solutions. Twintech specializes in today's most advanced HVAC technologies, including cold climate heat pumps, high-efficiency furnaces, hybrid heating systems, central air conditioning, ductless heating and cooling. Our team helps homeowners navigate modern options with clear explanations and expert guidance. Precision installation makes the difference. Even the most efficient HVAC system can underperform if it's not installed correctly. Twintech's certified technicians focus on precision, from system sizing and airflow design to final testing and calibration. This professional approach ensures your system delivers consistent comfort, maximum efficiency, reduced wear and tear, long-term reliability built for Durham region weather. From freezing winter nights to humid summer days, HVAC systems in the Durham region must perform under demanding conditions. Twintech designs and installs systems built to handle Ontario's climate, keeping homes comfortable year-round. A better experience from start to finish. Homeowners choose Twintech because we prioritize service as much as results. Our process includes honest, no-pressure consultations, clean and respectful installation, clear communication throughout the project, ongoing support after installation. We don't just install HVAC systems, we build long-term comfort solutions. Comfort you'll notice, efficiency you'll appreciate. With Twintech Heating Cooling, comfort isn't just something you hope for, it's something you feel every day. And efficiency isn't a technical term, it's a difference you can see on your energy bills. If you're looking for HVAC solutions that deliver both comfort and efficiency, Twintech is ready to help.